With Retriever's new AI subroutine capability, you can just create a recording of a task and generate a subroutine to deterministically re-execute that recording, whatever you recorded, whether it be network requests, API calls, types, clicks, everything will be scripted and you can just reuse that script. So I can just say use the recording to generate a tool to send IGDMs. And we generate that tool, and you can then reuse it for multiple of rows of a Google Sheet, for example, and they will have zero cost and it will be completely free. So we generated this code, and now I can just say, hey, use this tool for each of these rows. And so we have the code here on like what it will do. And yeah, let's see what it does. So we can I can dive deeper into the functionalities that is exposed. You can the script itself can call these helper functions to interact with the elements, find the relevant elements, type, click, get tokens, cookies from the page, and then reuse those cookies and tokens to write a script to create fetch requests. So from this, for every row, it called the tools, and it's sending for each of these people a uh, a message to it opened the messages for them and it's sending them a message to leave a review for Retriever. So it just is yeah, so it just typed it and it sent it, and this is all from that code we just have here to deterministically type, uh, click, and you can compose your own. You can edit the one that was already created here, so you can just click edit code here somewhere. And yeah, so these messages are getting sent slowly one by one for each of these people. As they're getting executed, we're getting the success message out here. We preceded everyone with uh, couple of deterministic subroutines for creating expos, for sending a LinkedIn connection request, for sending an Instagram DM. But we are going to expand this library to cover the most useful use cases. And the LLM just has to figure out these parameters, right? And the rest of the code just is executed for free. So you can think of like even 20-step workflows that can just get executed just based on these parameters. And then it, all of that subsequent steps are free, and you can hammer down that token cost as well as that credit usage on us, so you can 100x the value you use on our platform by being able to execute this code. And this code is being the best part is if you have network requests like calling the website APIs, maybe you can think of GraphQL queries to send a Twitter post, for example. If you have all of those things, the it's executed within the web page itself. So all of the authorization headers, requests, all of those get added, propagated for free when we make those requests from the extension, because like you don't need to reverse engineer how does Twitter, Instagram, Facebook do those one-off hashing, set up those CSRF tokens, do all that like interception. You don't have to do all any of that. Our code just gets that for free by being injected and executed within the web page itself. So we got the last of the people. Hopefully, my friends are accepted and send a review for Retriever. Maybe you should as well. Yeah, send a please review us on the Chrome store so that we can improve our rating. More people can reach us, and we can get to hopefully 5 stars.